know, it's kind of interesting. I have one of these set up inside my garage right now. So I don't have, the magnet is just taped onto visqueen plastic.
Okay, yeah,
But this looks better.
Yeah, so this is our new product here. It's about 1.5 years old. So what you do is you take double-sided, we have a double-sided tape that one side's painter's tape, so it's not gonna damage your, you know, your barrier, whatever you're putting it in, or your door frame. So you take that, you're gonna peel it off, you're gonna stick the door frame onto it, stick the door on it. Pretty easy, and then it says magnetic, so like I said, you can walk in and out as you please. It's gonna save you a lot of time and effort as opposed to our standard zippers where you gotta zip them up, roll it up, and then hook it up together. So this is nice and easy.
So this is gonna typically go in a door jamb.
Yep.
Right there?
Yeah, most door frames, honestly, it works on plastic barriers as well. So if you have a spray booth or something like that, you know, you can use, recommend you put in duct tape as your door frame.
Right.
You just cut the plastic out behind you, and then you can come in and out as you please.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
I actually like that. So this is a standard
Yeah,
with
this
a
is our
zipper.
standard one. Yep. So like I said, you know, you can take this down.
So how does this so this is all in one package right here?
Yeah, this is one package. Yeah.
Okay.
We sell zippers separately, but this is created just for the door frame. So like I said, same setup, double-sided tape. You're gonna stick it to it, then you're gonna zip these up, and you can roll it up.
So what is this right here?
These are our magnetic strips. These are more for drop ceilings. They're gonna hold your barrier to the top, so you can stick these up, and they're gonna stick to the drop ceiling and hold there. So more of a niche product, but like I said, we're missing part of our booth. Actually, they're missing a couple of our crates.
Really?
So we're making do what we can.
Did FedEx totally screw you guys over?
Yeah.
FedEx seems like they screwed a lot of people over.
Yeah, I don't know who. It just kind of got lost in the sauce out here, but.
So this all comes in one kit. We can just tape it on.
Yep.
Does a double-sided tape come with it?
Yeah, here, I can show you right over here. So yeah, this is our standard door. So this is our standard door right here. That's the package. You get one side of that. The other side of our magnetic door, which we're trying to push it, you get 3 rolls of it as well. You get 3 rolls of double-sided tape and the reusable door.
So how much does that cost?
This is, I think, 30. It's like 33 or 34, I want to say. So this is $100. It's 90. I think 98.99. So for this magnetic door. So.
Right.
This is reusable, so like you say, you're gonna get your money's worth after a couple uses of this. So
this is
really
the magnetic
nice.
one?
Yeah, this is a magnetic door. Yep. So this is right here.
That's pretty cool. I really like it. So
cool.
thank you very much for
appreciate it.
demonstrating that.
Thanks for your time.
Awesome. I definitely would use it. So
Yeah, definitely.
Cool.